Hi class, this is course 3 lesson 64, using a unit multiplier to convert rates. Okay, so we've used unit multipliers to convert between units, but now we're going to convert rates. And remember that a rate is a fraction that has one unit in the numerator and one in the denominator. So maybe it's dollars per hour. Okay, we'll go through two examples today. Yasmin ran a mile in 6 minutes. Use a unit multiplier to find her average rate in miles per hour. Okay, so here is her rate right now. 1 mile in 6 minutes. Okay, so we start in miles per minute, and we're going to use a unit multiplier here so that we end up in miles per hour. So what are we changing here? We have miles, we want to keep miles. We have minutes, we want hours. So we need our unit multiplier that has or our fact that talks about minutes and hours. Well, I know 60 minutes is 1 hour, so that's my unit conversion fact that I need to write as a unit multiplier, and I need to put these values in the right location so that our units cancel out. I don't want the minutes to be here anymore, so I need to put minutes up here so that they will cancel out. And I want hours down here, so I need hours down here so that they stay. So I just fill in my unit multiplier with the numbers in the right spots. I need 60 minutes and I need 1 hour. So let's see. We also need to address the numbers in the problem. So I can write this as 1 times 60 is 60 miles, and 6 times 1 hour is 6 hours. But I need to simplify. Okay, they wanted the per hour rate, not per 6 hours. So I need to divide this both by 6, and I end up with the answer of 10 miles per hour. Okay, one more problem. Driving at 60 miles per hour, a car travels about how many kilometers in 2 hours? And they tell you the conversion fact. So we're going to start with what we know. 60 miles, fraction bar means per, 1 hour. And I know it's 1 because it wasn't a number here. It's implied. Times a unit multiplier so that I get some number of kilometers per hour. Now, it says in 2 hours, okay? But if I find the kilometers per 1 hour, I certainly can find the kilometers per 2 hours. So let's just find the kilometers for 1 hour, and then we'll multiply by 2. So I want miles. I don't want miles in my answer, so I want miles to divide out, and the only way they divide out is if I put them in the denominator in this case. And I want kilometers, so I will put kilometers in the numerator. And now all I have to do is put the information that they give me in the right location. So 1 mile goes down here, 1.6 kilometers, 2 fractions multiplied together, 60 times 1.6, 0, 36, 3, 9, 60, but 1 decimal place, so 96 kilometers per hour. But I want 2 hours, so I need to multiply this times 2, because I can go 96 kilometers in 1 hour, so 2 hours would be times 2. 2 uh, 12, carry the 1, 18, 192. So we go about 192 kilometers in 2 hours. So there you have it. Just a different way to use unit multipliers. Now we're using rate. So just remember that where you see the word per, that's your fraction bar. And that should be hopefully the hardest part of this lesson. If you have questions, please let me know. I will see you in class.